All right, guys, we are going to pick up right where we left off, which is at our Google Drive. I'm going to try and keep this with as little detail as possible. And the reason for that is because I know that for a lot of us, technology is challenging. And it's challenging for me as well. But when making this, we really do think it's going to benefit our students and benefit our schools to really keep that relationship that we've worked very hard to build in the past 2 years. And this is just one way that we are thinking we can do that. So when you get to your Google Drive, so you're going to go to the left-hand side, you're going to click on New, you're going to go down to More, and then you're going to go to Google Sites. Once you click that, it's going to automatically generate a new website. And I am going to kind of just take you over the basics of playing with this. And when you're doing technology, guys, it's just really vital that you go at it with, the open-mindedness that you, for wherever you are in your journey of learning how to implement technology in an educational setting. So with this, whenever you start to feel frustrated, I really encourage you to just pause this video. And, if depending on your level of frustration, just shut your computer down and do something else. And then come back to it, once you sit down with some coffee, maybe the next day. So as I said, we are going to pull up this site. Okay, so we have now created a website, and this is really it's user friendly, and that's why I like it the most. I think that regardless of your experience with educational technology, you can do this. And if you are having troubles, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'm happy to sit down with you and schedule a Microsoft Teams time for us to collaborate and get your website up and running. So as you see, I only have, I have one page. So it automatically just generates a home. This little toolbar over here is going to be how I create my website. If you want to title it, you can go ahead and do that. So Pre-ETS demo. I put my name as I believe so. So I just put Miss Chamberlain Pre-ETS. Again, in the way that I plan on using this is just being able to send this out to teachers, and teachers can, put this up on the boards where students can see. They can push out my site to access lessons and resources. They can send this to parents. So I'm really hoping that it's going to be just a hub for anything Pre-ETS or anything related to the services that we provide. So once I get this done, I'm going to insert title here. And if I want to add anything, your layout is located over here on the right. So say I want to add a video or an image, I can do that there. If I want to insert some text, just kind of welcoming anyone to my site, I can do that. Anytime you hover over an icon, it's going to tell you exactly what it can do. So if I'm like, I think I actually want to change this, it's so easy. And anytime you delete something and you want to redo it, you can do that too. So up here where it says undo last action, I didn't mean to delete that, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to recover it. If I want to add someone, so I'll probably, I don't know that if I've even done this yet, but I will add Crystal to my site, Hannah, ECTC, maybe we choose to do this as a combined unit, or maybe we don't. That's something that you guys can kind of decide within your specific college. But it is going to allow you to have a lot of freedom with creating. Layouts are here. If you want to get really crazy, and again, we've got 27 seconds, it's going to allow you to add anything you can think of. And in the next video, I'm going to go a little bit more in depth with adding and embedding some websites, but I really encourage you in the last 10 seconds that I have to just use the rest of this time to explore. If you want to change your theme, make it visually appealing, I encourage you to do so.